Assalamualaikum and good morning, Ain Nabila and Alia Safia.
Waalaikumsalam
Waalaikumsalam.
and
Good
good
morning
morning,
to
Hafiz.
Okay. Today we will discuss about polynomial function. So our group members is myself Hafizuddin and Alia Safia and Ain Nabila. So Ain, can you explain about the polynomial?
Okay, of course, Hafiz. So, polynomial is actually an algebraic expression with one or more terms, and usually each of those terms have a certain degree. They are expressed in a particular form by a formula we see now. So, coefficient with the greatest power of x is the leading coefficient. A is any real number, and x variable. Coefficient with zero is the constant term. So polynomial functions can appear constant, linear, quadratic, cubic, quartic, and so on. It involves a whole number power of x known as degree, real number coefficients of x specified or differentiating for x. And usually the leading term is used to determine the general shape of the graph, and the rest of the equation is used in relevance to the maxima and minima, the size and actual shape, and the following curves or turning points.
Thank you, Ain Nabila, for the explanation. So, Alia, how exactly do polynomial functions relate and contribute to the shape of roller coaster?
Polynomial function relate and contribute to the shape of roller coaster is by first you use leading term best to determine and behavior. Second, find the zeros of the function. Third, use the x-intercept to divide the x-axis into intervals. Then choose a test point to determine the sign. Fourth, find the y-intercept. Fifth, find any additional function values to determine general shape. And lastly, check the shape of the graph. Let's give it a try. Determine the general shape of this polynomial function using the process described above. For example, fx equals to x to the power of 3 plus 3x to the power of 2 minus x and minus 3, and the result we will get um, graph shape like this, and this will be the shape of our roller coaster.
Thank you, Alia. So, of course, we understand that more complex procedure go into actually building roller coaster. However, polynomial functions are not limited to just roller coaster. It's also related to some careers in our life. So, for the first example is professional careers. So, for this example, careers in computer science and mathematical application depend on algebraic construct. Consider work as an actuary or a computer programmer or software engineer. Mathematicians, statisticians, and engineers of all science employ the use of polynomials. Among engineering career options, there are aerospace engineers, chemical engineers, civil engineers, electrical engineers, environmental engineers, industrial engineers, material engineers, mechanical engineers, uh, and nuclear engineers. Consider also work as a drafter or engineering technician. So, next example is management careers. For these careers, management occupation often use algebraic polynomials in solving their organizational best problem. Management positions include computer and information system managers, engineering and natural science managers, along with farmers, ranchers, and agricultural managers. Even funeral directors, industrial production managers, medical and health service managers, and property real estate and community association managers all use math in their daily work. Other career paths could lead you to become a purchasing manager, buyer or purchasing agent, business and financial operation, occupation, along with budget analysis and insurance underwriters all use polynomials. Uh, Thank you.
Okay, so let me explain about other careers. In the service industry, healthcare support occupations such as nursing, psychiatry, and home health aides require knowledge of polynomials and their uses. Other employing algebraic or include farming, forest conservation, and logging work. Workers in construction fields such as electrical and electronic equipment mechanics, installers, and repairers benefit from understanding how to work with polynomials. Likewise, the knowledge is useful to electronic home entertainment equipment installers and repairers. And in the field of metal workers and plastic workers, computer control programmers and operators will solve problems using polynomials.
And that's all for today. Thank you for riding the polynomial function roller coaster with us. We hope you enjoyed the ride and learned something today. Have a great day. Bye everyone.
Bye.